Substack is in everybody's mouth. But why is everyone buzzing about Substack? To anyone watching this and about to comment something like, I've been thinking about, I'll hold off on making one until, I've been looking into Substack, but my advice as an online marketing expert with more than 13 years of experience and part-time mompreneur is to tap over to the site and just start, like today. Let me explain. Here are my current numbers. A little more than 3,600 free subscribers are on my list. 2 weeks ago, I activated the pay button and now have 36 paying subscribers. My newsletter costs $7 a month or $70 a year to be a paid subscriber. This means my personal Substack makes already about $2,500 in annual recurring revenue ARR. Besides monetizing my words, here's what I love about Substack. With Substack, anyone can start a publication that combines a personal website, blog, and email newsletter. And more, you can also add a podcast and videos. Yep, you heard that right, all in one place on one platform. For me personally, Substack is a publishing platform for writers that brings together the best from different sites, such as email service provider ConvertKit, website builder WordPress, and social media platforms such as Medium, and community platforms such as School. 5 things you need to know about Substack. Number 1, writing on Substack is totally on the house. You don't need to pay a monthly or annual fee to get started. You only pay Substack 10% if you make money through their platform. Number 2, you aren't a renter. You are a buyer. You own your email list. If you want to leave, you can take your email list with you anytime, anywhere. And did you know, email is 40 times more effective for acquiring customers than social media. Someone letting you into their inbox is a way bigger deal than someone just following you on rented social media land. They want to see what you are sending them. Followers can be a vanity metric and you lose them when a social media site closes its doors. The moral of the story, you can't build an email business on rented land. Number 3, you are in control of your content. There are no ads on Substack, so their business is built on the value they provide readers through subscriptions. That means through Substack, you get paid based on the quality of your stories, not the attention you can attract for advertisers. Moreover, there is no human curation team or algorithm to get in the way of you and your readers. Here's how it works. If someone subscribes to your newsletter, they get it in their inbox and can read it if they want to. Having someone on your email list is a much bigger deal than a follower, just a number. When you have an email list, you are in control of your business and how you reach your audience. Number 4, you have the power. You have the power to decide if you want to make your newsletter 100% free or keep some exclusive goodies just for subscribers. All you have to do is turn on the paid button. If you don't feel ready yet, you can turn on pledges. Your subscribers can pledge their support to show you that your words are worth pulling out a credit card for. In addition, you can donate your subscriptions to charity. Number 5, Substack helps you grow your email list naturally. Building and growing your newsletter can feel like a heavy lift. I've been there. The good news is, when writing on Substack, growing your newsletter isn't all on your shoulders anymore. With its built-in audience and growth features such as recommendation, cross posts, or Substack notes, you can be found throughout its writer network. Let me give you an example for recommendations. 170 Substack publications recommend me, and I have gained more than 1,000 subscribers through recommendations so far. And here's an example of Substack's Notes. Notes is like a social media platform on Substack. Here you can share short form posts. In addition, you can share the work of others. Wendy restacked, that's what it's called, a post of mine explaining why she liked it. This way, more people can see and read my post. My newsletter isn't limited to my subscribers, and I can also win new subscribers who like my writing. Side note, 20% of paid subscribers come from the Substack network. 6. Substack promotes your newsletter. Lately, Substack introduced its Boost. This displays discounts and special offers to your subscribers at the right time to maximize your sales. You don't have to do the promotion. Substack does it for you. This is especially important for people who hate selling. Hey, do you want to kickstart your email list in 2024? Then this is the right time for you. Make sure to subscribe to my newsletter to stay up to date. When you set up your Substack publication, you get an easy to use and beautiful website. You could also call it a blog, on which your stories will be published in an online magazine-like format with your latest posts, featuring your most popular stories, showing an archive of all sent emails, notes if you're using the Twitter for writers, chat if you offer your subscribers to chat with them, and a leaderboard if you offer a referral program. The good thing is you practice in public. Your publication is public and anyone can check it out. This way, you can build your writer portfolio on the internet. Why is this smart? This way, you can attract subscribers, potential agents, sponsors, freelancing gigs, or other great business opportunity you might not have thought about yet. Oh, and there is also a Substack app for mobile users. It's a way to be discovered alongside the work of other awesome Substack writers. Plus, your readers can find other inspiring voices via their discovery feed. In addition to the magazine-like website or blog, there's also the email newsletter, which is the beating heart of Substack. Each post that you can read publicly in my magazine-like publication on Substack was once sent out via email to my subscribers. It's an archive of all of the email newsletters I've been sending out. Whereas on social media platforms, only a small % of your followers see your posts, every single subscriber on your list sees your posts and has the chance to open and read them. Here's a comparison. I have about 11,000 followers on Medium. When I publish, I'm lucky if 1%, about 110 people, see my post, except it was boosted. When I publish a story via Substack, I can count on at least 30% of my subscribers to open and read. Usually it's 40% or more. Letting someone in your inbox is a big deal. Keep in mind that some readers will never go to your Substack website, like and comment. They will only read your stories in their inbox and enjoy your letters there. My experience so far with their deliverability is pretty amazing. Open rates are high. And people don't have to click anything. They don't have to go to Substack to read my posts. They are just delivered in full via email. For this reason, many people do not refer to their newsletter as a Substack. They simply call it a newsletter. Besides the website and email newsletter, you can also build a community with your Substack publication. People can leave a comment and engage with you and others in discussion threads. In addition, you can start a chat thread and chat with your audience. You can also set up a paying subscribers only thread. Spoiler alert, Substack will soon add direct messages that allow you to interact one-on-one with your subscribers. Here is how to get paid. When Substack was launched in 2017, it was designed to deliver a paid newsletter. Fast forward to today, Substack still does a great job collecting emails for you and delivering them while offering also a website, blog, and community. What's unique? Writing on Substack is totally on the house. In my opinion, this makes Substack a smart investment opportunity for anyone looking to get into the list builder game. You can make your newsletter free for everyone. You can make it exclusive to paying subscribers. You can offer a freemium newsletter with free and paid letters. You can also offer everything for free and still offer a pricing tier for subscribers who want to support you. From my experience, people feel good about giving creators their trust and like money so they can continue to make stuff they like and enjoy. If you make your newsletter exclusive, readers who aren't paying subscribers will encounter a paywall in the text and be prompted to upgrade their subscription. To read paywall posts, subscribers can pay per month or annually. You get to set your pricing starting from $5 per month, which is the minimum. Substack says you can shoot for about 5% of your total free subscribers to become paid subscribers. Substack makes it simple. If you win a paying subscriber, Substack charges a 10% flat fee. Often I get asked, is this fair, Kristina? Is it fair that they take a 10% cut? I think given the growth tools they offer, I see it as a reasonable trade-off. That's a small cut when you consider that Substack's vision is for you to earn a living with your newsletter. Moreover, one of the most difficult aspects of selling online is finding customers to buy your products. Gumroad, for instance, helps you with its discoverability tools and also takes a flat fee of 10%. In comparison, the premium newsletter service provider ConvertKit is free for up to 1,000 subscribers. Then you pay $9 or $25 per month. Or let's take School, which is highly hyped at the moment because Alex Hormozi invested in it. For the community experience, this is $1,200 a year. Of course, you also get events and other features. But if you're just starting, comments and discussion threads with a chat plus private messaging that will ship soon are already brilliant for building a vibrant community. Am I right? And Substack is writer-centric. This is the part about Substack I love the most. Their priority is not advertising. Their priority is writers and helping writers make money because that's the only way Substack makes money. A few days ago, they introduced new alternative payment methods, multi-currency pricing, and local customization, meaning that you can set up your publication experience in the language you are writing in, for instance, in German. As a marketing professional, I know these new features have the potential to attract new subscribers and help to win new paying subs from around the world. It's definitely a win-win for Substack and us writers. Plus, you always have an escape plan. You can take your subscribers and go with them at any time. So my advice is to tap over to the site and just start like today. Are you looking to become a prolific Substack writer in 2024? Join my newsletter and my vibrant community. Learn in a playful way how to set up your newsletter successfully. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button to see more of my videos.